Hi, it's me. So, for the past hour, I've been trying to upload a video of the fireworks I just saw. I thought you would really like to see them, and it would be really exciting to see it. But, for whatever reason, Facebook and I created a YouTube account is not letting me upload the video. So, I thought that I would try something different and see if I can just play the camera onto my webcam to see if you could see it. I apologize in advance if you think it's really ridiculous, but maybe it'll make you really happy and make you smile. So, here goes. Okay. Let's see. Alright, you ready? Wow, this is really ridiculous. Okay, so that was pretty much the whole fireworks thing. It was like 15 minutes of it before that, but that was like the end, so I thought that was a pretty important part. Anyway, it was really funny because at the end, if you could hear the really big bang and stuff, like every single car alarm went off after that in the Keene parking lot as well as the surrounding parking lot, so I thought it was really amusing and I thought you would like that. So, anyway, I hope this made your day. I really hope this loads onto YouTube and that you'll be able to watch it. Um, Other than that, I really miss you, and I cannot wait to see you on May 11th and run into your arms and kiss you like you've never been kissed before. So, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope that this gets through to you. I love you so much. Can't wait to see you. Alright, bye.